Top tethers and top tether anchors are essential components of the latch system and should be used whenever a child restraint is installed in the forward-facing position. The tether, which is on the child restraint itself, connects to an anchor on the vehicle's rear shelf, seat back, floor, or another designated point. Some vehicles have a top tether logo to help identify the location of the top tether anchor. The top tether improves the safety of a forward-facing restraint by providing an additional attachment point. This helps prevent the restraint and the child from moving too far forward in a crash. Some child restraint manufacturers also encourage using the top tether with rear-facing restraints or using an anti-rotation support leg. So always review the instructions in your child restraint owner's manual for proper installation and guidance.